Hello mga kapakas! Good day Davao! Have you heard about the newly opened Davao Whisky Park? Actually, nasa likod lang ito ng SM Lanang. I think magugustuhan nyo dito dahil this is a nice hangout place after work or kung gusto nyo lang naman magkita-kita with friends. Actually, you can buy whiskey from their store including ice and some additional snacks. Actually, may mga food stalls inside and they have mini arcade. May open area din for music with DJ and live bands. At talagang isa sa magugustuhan nyo dito ay may wide variety of whiskey sila. Ito yung protocol nila. Before entering the park, you must purchase a whiskey and the cheapest one is 750 pesos. At FYI lang mga kapakas, this is only for adults. Bawal ang mga bata dito. They are open every Tuesday to Sunday from 4 p.m. to 1 a.m. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? Shat Punu! Tara, let's!
Join the flow.